Solving some equations may involve several steps. Here are some guidelines. First, simplify each side of the equation by using the definition of subtraction, applying the distributive property, and combining like terms. Then, use the properties of equality as needed, starting with applying the addition or subtraction property of equality if necessary, and then apply the multiplication or division property of equality if necessary. Well, let's look at an example. We're going to apply the definition of subtraction. Then we're going to show our work and apply the distributive property, giving us 12n plus 6 is equal to 18 plus negative 48 plus 9n. We're looking for like terms. Well, the left side is already simplified, but the right side has a pair of like terms. We combine them, and now both sides have expressions which are in simplest form. So we add both negative 9n and negative 6 to both sides, finding the pairs of opposites, doing the arithmetic, and then dividing both sides by 3, and our solution is n is equal to negative 12. Here's another example. Apply the definition of subtraction. Apply the distributive property. Then look for like terms. We have a pair on the left side, the 5d and the 2d, and two pairs on the right side, 12 plus 15 and negative 30d plus 1d, and we've marked the d with a handy 1 as the coefficient, just as a reminder that d is equal to 1d. Also notice on the left side there's a negative 7, which doesn't have a like term to combine with. Well, let's do the combining of terms. And now we have two terms on each side. So our next step is to add negative 29d and a 7 to each side. Find the pairs of opposites, mark them out, do the arithmetic, divide both sides by the coefficient of d, which is 36, and this one is best expressed as a fraction in lowest terms. D is equal to 17/18. To review the guidelines one more time, first, simplify each side of an equation using the definition of subtraction, the distributive property, and combining like terms. And then use the properties of equality as necessary, starting with the addition or subtraction property of equality, and then finishing up by applying the multiplication or division property of equality as needed.